Welcome to our channel. If you received a payroll card from your employer and need to activate it at Walmart, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Visit your nearest Walmart store that offers financial services such as money center or customer service. Step 2. Bring your payroll card and a valid government-issued photo ID for verification purposes. Step 3. Inform the Walmart associate at the money center or customer service desk that you need to activate your payroll card. Step 4. The associate will ask you to provide your card and ID to verify your identity. Step 5. Follow the instructions provided by the associate, which may include entering your card number and personal information into their system. Step 6. You may be asked to create a personal identification number, PIN, for your payroll card during the activation process. Step 7. Once the activation is complete, the associate will confirm that your payroll card is active and ready to use. Step 8. Your payroll card is now activated, and you can use it to make purchases, withdraw cash at ATMs, and access your wages. Keep your card and PIN secure, and monitor your balance regularly through your card issuer's website or mobile app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.